if you're a content creator, your aim, people, if you're a content creator, you should always have to aim. Number one is to go viral. And number two is to at least make money, even from your start, so that you can support yourself. So I'm going to compare how much, I'm going to bring to you how much Facebook pay for at least of a 1,000 views. Well, let me not tell you 1,000 views. Let me go to how much Facebook really pays for a 50,000 views compared to how much YouTube paid for a 50,000 views. Now, why I'm using these two different platforms, our main focus there is Facebook, IG, and YouTube. Now, I just want to use Facebook and YouTube to do this comparison, so that if you're starting up a platform, if you really want to go viral while making little money, or you want to go viral while making a lot of money. So you know that these two platforms, YouTube and Facebook, is the main platform that we've been working on. So first of all, I will start with Facebook. Let's list, many creators have been complaining about how much Facebook pays for some numbers of views. And sometimes Facebook, likely, I'm not really just trying to look down on Facebook, condemning Facebook. Facebook, actually, there are some creators that will have, for instance, now there's a creator, I just saw a message. Most of you will know this creator. Most of you will know this creator now. This creator, his name is what do we call him? Mr. Pure Heart. I'll put it here so that you can see. As you can see here, he posted, when people see me outside and say Mr. Pure Heart, with the finish about that, today I wonder whatever he's writing here, you see. Okay, as for this video, he made about 1.7 million views, and it's giving him 0. I don't know the reason behind that, but I know that on my own page, 1.1 million views cannot give me as never. I've gotten a 3,000 views without a penny, 0 result. But I've not really gotten up to that numbers of a millions. I've not gotten, there's none of my video that's crossed 10,000 views without having anything on it. So I don't really know what is wrong with his page. I would say something is wrong with his page. So let me go to one of my videos that I have up to 50k views and show you what Facebook is actually doing. Okay, I don't know if I should start with something like 10k so that I will not have to look for videos too much. Okay, so let me start with a video that has at least 10k views. And that I will not have to go down looking for videos that has thousands of views, just so that I could be able to show you this. All right, this is 10,000, as you can see, 10,600 views here, and what they are paying me for 10,000 views is 0.29 cents. Guys, if I should go to my audience here, you see that my top country, let me go to, because what many people always say is that the views depends on where your audience is coming from. Okay, here in this video, my audience, number 1 is India, number 2 is Philippines, and number 3 is Pakistan, and then other countries follows, which include Nigeria, US, the UK. We count from the top 3 countries. All right, let me go to the next video. Let me go to the next videos and show you this one. I have 4k. I don't want to use all this. Let me go to another video that has many views, and then show you what I'm talking about here. This video I have 36k views. And what I'm seeing here is 0.14 cents. 0.14 cents, guys. All right, the next video after this one, I have 34k views also, and I still have 0.14k views. My audience, I know mostly comes from this top 3 countries: Indian, Philippines. Okay, this one has South Africa, India, Philippines, and South Africa. That's where my top 3 countries always comes from, guys. So if you are looking at all these things, you will not, you just quit. I have this one here, which has about 52k views, and it's giving me 0.52 cents. All right, I'll still go down because I want to see at least a video that really perform well based on region or wherever that is at least trying to make up something better. So okay, from the conclusion here, I have this one. I have about 112k views, and I'm having 0.94 cents, not even up to $1. So if you notice, guys, all these things I've been showing you here, there's not been any video that has given me video or photo that has given me up to $1. In all this I'm showing you, this is what 7k views. 7k views is not even giving me up to 0.1. 7k views is not even giving me up to 0.1. I'm having 0.5 here, 0.05 here. And if I should check my top countries, mostly these 3 countries. Okay, now this one Nigeria is included. All right, so this is to tell you how much Facebook is paying for at least a 10,000 views. You've seen a video of 35k, 50k views, and it's not giving me up to $1. Okay, so let me go over to YouTube. So guys, my light just went off, but I still have to continue my video, right? All right, so I have here the video I'm going to show you right here on YouTube, and the video I'm going to show you now on YouTube has 19.6k views. That's 19,600 views. So I'm going to, let me go to, so that you see how much this has earned. Jesus Christ, 19,000 views has earned $22 already. Why the one who checked 34k on Facebook did not earn even up to $1, not even half $1, but 19,000 views. So here is, you know what to choose. If you have to choose between YouTube and Facebook, you know where you are choosing. This will tell you that this video now was published on, no matter when it was published, this was published on the 27th of March, and the other one was published, I think that video on Facebook, I posted it a few days ago. Should be, it's up to a week plus. So if we are counting backward, should be almost the same date. So this one here has made $22 from YouTube. And if we go, you can see how the money was paid here. Okay, so what I'm showing you, trying to let you know here, is to compare. If you really want to go viral while making money, your main focus should be YouTube. And if you want to go viral, just be going viral, you don't care if you are making money or you are not making money, just want to go viral, fine, you can go ahead and use TikTok and Facebook. What I can tell you is that there are many Nigerians making money from YouTube without anybody, without even being popular, but they are millionaires. Imagine if this, and now out of this very video that was published on the 27th of March, after then I see about other videos that I publish on that same YouTube. So if I've been able to publish like one video after 2 days, one video daily, and I'm having up to this amount of money, so do you know how much you should be doing the calculation and know how much it will be at the end of 1 week? That's to tell you that weekly you might be able to cover let's say $200 weekly. Now there are some videos that you will just post and it will go like viral, and you have 100k views, you have 200k views, or even more. But what I'm just trying to bring up this one that has 21k views, so that we can be able to compare it to the one, to what we were doing before, which has at least from 10k to 30 something k to 50k views. And luckily this has only 19k views, which is not much, or which is not far from what we were actually looking at. All right, so you can see here, if this YouTube is even telling you straight up that if you are able to go up to $20 views, you are going to make $24. It's telling you that from 5k views you are supposed to make $6, as you can see here. Now from 10k views you are supposed to make $12. Now if you times $12, which is on 10k views times 2, you see that you are getting exact results that they are promising you. It's not like Facebook, that you post something, one of your video have 1 million views, you will not see anything. With Facebook, you go and check, you see that videos has no violation, has no problem at all, but your video views are just, your earnings are just very limited. Facebook are kind of trying to, I don't want to call it scam or whatever, but that's what I'm seeing. So you make your own path for yourself. From this video, you learn from it and you choose your path. If you still really want to start up with Facebook and then you join YouTube later, or you want to start up with focus mainly on YouTube while taking Facebook as your side hustle. As for me, I mostly take Facebook as my side hustle while focusing on YouTube, because I can't be posting and not having anything to cover up my data subscription. Data subscription now are quite expensive, and if you know that you've been uploading videos on Facebook, on social media, you know how much it costs daily to upload a video, especially if you're uploading a long video. Now, so if assuming this was a long video, you know how much you would have made from this 19k, but this is just a short. So just do your calculation and let me know. I won't want this video to be any longer, since there is no light for me to, and where I'm sitting, it's already dark, so I'm using light to record this video.